All right, so if you're watching this video, you are stuck on level 12, which is the level I have up here on my screen. So if I start looking over this way, that's just where the screen is. That's I'm going to show you guys kind of how to do the level and give you guys some hints. All right. So in this level, if you look at my hints here, all right, we need to mine 3 redstone. So if you look at the level, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We can mine whichever 3 out of those 7 we need and only use 14 blocks. Okay. So what I did is I tried to make it easier for you. I'm telling you the 3 redstone that I want you to mine. 1, 2, and 3. And you could actually do it in 9 blocks. You actually don't need the 14 blocks that they're giving you. You can actually do it in 9. All right. So we are going to need a repeat loop. All right, but again, before we do that, just like we did in the other one, we want to put all our code in and then look for the blocks that are actually repeating. All right, so let's start by doing very basic. We need to get him moving forward twice. Okay, 1, 2. Now just be careful, because if you move into a redstone block, you're automatically going to burn to death pretty much. So if I go ahead and just run that, okay, so he moves there. All right, and then he's ready for the next step. Now, if I move forward 3 times and run it, he burns to death, okay, because it looks like there's lava under there. All right, so if you remember from a previous video, what do we need to do if there's lava there? Okay, we need to use this block. So after we move forward twice, okay, what do we need to do to this block first? We need to break it. We need to destroy it. Okay, so we're going to destroy the block. All right, and again, as you're doing this, you can pause my video and run your code to see if it actually works. So we're going to run it and we're going to destroy it. Then we do not know if there's lava under that block or not. Okay, so again, if we don't know something, we have to make a decision. So we're going to use the if block. So if there is lava underneath it, we want him to place a cobblestone ahead. If there's not lava underneath it, he's just going to skip this block entirely. But again, we still need it in our code in order for it to work. So we'll see. Let's see. He destroys. Okay, there's lava. He places cobblestone. So now we can walk on it. Okay, so now what do we do? Well, if we're here and we just put cobblestone, we need to walk on that cobblestone. So we're going to move forward again. And then we need to turn left to start going up this way. Okay, so we're going to run it. And now we're ready to mine this. So remember, we need this one, and this one. Okay, so we already got this one, so we're going to keep going. So we're going to move forward twice. We're going to destroy. Let's see where that puts us. Destroy. Okay, now there is no lava there. However, we're not supposed to know that. Okay, so again, we still want to use the if block because, again, he is going to ignore this block if there's no lava there. So we still need it in our code. So if there's lava ahead, what is he going to do? He's going to place cobblestone. Then he's going to move forward, and then he's going to turn left. Forward, forward, destroy. No lava, move forward, turn left. Then we're going to go forward, forward, destroy. If there's lava, place cobblestone. Okay, now obviously, if you look at the blocks, we have 20 blocks. Okay, now it says here we only need 14, but if you look at my hint, we actually only need 9. Okay, so now we look for our pattern. What is the pattern that is repeating over and over again? All right, so if you can try to figure it out on your own, that would be awesome. All right, but if you can't, let's see where it starts repeating. So I start with 2 move forwards. Okay, so now I want to look down here where I have 2 move forwards. All right, right here, 2 move forwards. So if I separate that and I look, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 7 blocks. So my next 7 blocks, if I did this right, should be the same. And they are. All right, so again, I separate them into chunks. So now how many chunks do I have? 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to repeat this 3 times. And there's my 9 blocks. Okay. So again, I hope you paused it at some point and tried to do this on your own, because again, if you're just following the tutorial and just putting in the blocks that I put in, you're not really learning a whole lot. So again, I want to make sure you guys are trying this stuff on your own before you look at my answers and then just copy my blocks. All right, again, if you guys have any questions, let me know.